Hello and welcome. In this video, I will describe how we can use Google's Meet to record a lecture and other features of Google to make the lecture a versatile lecture. So, Meet is a product to basically give an online kind of a lecture, but this tool we can always use to do a lecture and record it and then distribute it offline. So meet.google.com is the web address where you can get this interface. Now Google is giving it directly to the Gmail interface. You can see here, you can directly click here and go to the Meet interface itself. So I'm just starting a class, just giving a name to the class. Let me give it as a my class. Right. So now the interface is open. Now you can start the class. So if you plan to invite your students, you can give it as an online lecture. At the same time, you are recording it, right? Now you can invite your students from here. So if you have the email address or the group ID, you can directly send invite from here, right? Now I will demonstrate a versatile option which is given by Google Meet. Is basically you can convert your voice into text automatically. So for that you have to click here, turn on captions. So now you can see here that text is appearing here. So this is a simple Google interface where it uses some artificial intelligence kind of a software behind the screens to convert voice into text. So this will be useful to your students if they cannot follow what you are speaking, but they can directly see the text here, right? So this is a good feature. You can always turn it on and use it during your lecture. Now another feature is you can see here presentation. Your PowerPoint presentations or whatever kind of presentations that you want to show it to the students, you can directly click here and you can start from here, right? So I advise always, if you are using a Meet application, I advise you use Chrome browser rather than any other browser, because Chrome is again from Google, so they have a very tight integration of all their tools. So it is advisable to use Chrome when you use Google Meet. So now you can see here what you want to share. So I'm just choosing a tab, a Chrome tab. Now I have already opened a tab and I have loaded the application that I want. So this is the application that I want to show you. So now you see this is an application from Google which is called Jamboard. So Jamboard is basically a whiteboard kind of a thing. So once you open it, you will see this kind of an interface. You can just click here and name the board. Right now, I have connected my tablet and a stylus pen to use this interface. So now I can show you how you can write on this board. So you can choose a pen here. So I choose a color also, so red color. Now so this is a demon of using Jamboard. See, you can directly record this. If you want to go to the next screen, so next board is always available here. Now you can, if you want to load a picture, for example, so you can click here the image icon. Now you see there are varieties of options. Either you can upload it from your system, or you can do a Google search, image search, or if you stored the images in Google Drive, you can directly take it from there or from photos folder. So now I am just trying to upload an image. So let me see any image. Yeah, I have an image here. So I just opened it. So it is now loading. Yeah. So this way you can directly load image, and you can use it for demonstrating to the students. And if you are doing online, this will be, again, this is a whiteboard kind of a thing. This is directly can be seen by all of your students, right? So that is the advantage of using Jamboard, right? Maybe you can always do a Google image search, for example here. For example, I just want to search Taj Mahal's picture, so it is available here, right? So you just click there and select, then that image is also will be loaded here, right? So this way you can use the Jamboard application for doing your lecture, right? So how many boards you want, you can use any number of boards, right? Also you can browse through the boards. So I can stop it here. If you want to stop the sharing, you can stop here, right? So I stop presenting from here, so it will go to the previous window. So this is a versatile option where you can do a live lecture. At the same time, you can also record this lecture. So if you want to record it, the record meeting option you can use, and you can record the entire meeting, or you can use a recording screen capturing kind of an application. Here I am using an application called Voko Screen, VOKO Screen, Voko Screen, to record this, right? So I hope this will be a very useful tool for you to give an online lecture. At the same time, you record it and make it available in your LMS tool like Moodle. So thank you for watching.